First we want to know what is variable, constant and then terms. See here variables, it has not fixed numerical values. Variable means it has not a fixed numerical values and it is denoted by the alphabetics in small letters, that is A, B, C up to the number Z. So here clearly the variables is not a standard value. We can use different words for to explain this. Let's see, not standard. The variable is not standard and not stable. It will be changed. Not fixed, replaceable. By this we can use many words to explain the variables. For example, let me take A as the variable. Here example, let me take it as A as the variable. What values it accept? The variable A means that is natural number and whole number and integer and rational number. So simply we can say all the real values it takes as a variable, right? First see natural number, if I take A is equal to 10 means it accepted, or A is equal to 0, if I give A is equal to 0, the value it accepted because the variables has not fixed numerical values. And then if A is equal to minus 5, it is equal, A is equal to minus 5 because we have the condition the variables are not a fixed numerical value, so it will be changed everywhere, right? If you give 1000 or 10,000, whatever may be, even the decimal places, that is A is equal to 0.005, it accepted. So that's why we can say it's a variable, it has a not fixed numerical value and then the values are the real values, right? Next we see the constant. It has a fixed numerical value. So constant means it has a fixed numerical value. The value should not be changed. It is not able to change the value. For constant we can use many words to express like that. It is a standard value. Standard value. It is a stable value. And then it is a fixed value. Right? And then it is unchanged. In science also we have studied the constant. The constant means it is unchanged. It remains unchanged. That is the constant. Here the constant values are all the real values. All the real values, natural number, whole number, integer and rational. Suppose 5 we take as a constant means it is a fixed numerical value, right? It is a fixed numerical value. We cannot be replaced. Instead of 5 is equal to 10. Is it equal? Clearly it is not equal. So that's why we are saying constant is a fixed numerical value, unchanged. It remains unchanged. Next we see the terms. A single variable or a constant or a combination of this as a product is called a terms. Or simply we can say a variable or a constant or a product of variable and constant is called a terms. For example, let me take it as x as the variable. It is a term. And then 5 as a constant. That is also a term. And then 5x, the product of variable and constant, that is 5x is also called a terms. So terms means the variable, it may be single or the product of the constant is called a term. And in terms, only the like terms are able to add or subtract, and unlike terms are not able to add or subtract. First we see what is the like and unlike terms. See, like term means same variable with the same power are like terms. Example, here 5x square is the one of the term. Here the variable is x and then with power 2. And then another terms we have 100x square. These two terms are like terms by the same variable, both having the x, both having the power 2. Now it can be add or subtract. Only the like term can be add or subtract. Now come to the unlike terms. Same variable with different powers or different variable with different powers are unlike terms, and also different variable with the same power is also unlike term. For example, here let me take it as 5x square and then 10x. See, a condition, x has the same variables. First condition satisfied. Different power, here x square, here we have 1. There is not mentioned, means that is as power 1. So these terms are unlike terms. It cannot be add or subtract. Or another one example, different variables, that is 5x square and then 10y square. See, here we have the variable x, here we have the variable y. So different variables, it is not a like term, it is an unlike term. Here we have the same power, but the variables are not same, so it is a unlike term. Or otherwise 10y, this is also unlike terms. So the unlike terms are not able to add or subtract. In next video we see what is the coefficient and then algebraic expressions. Thank you, students.